Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. So bahlezi-ke kwashabalala uDonga noNdumiso noMshengu noMamchunu. uDonga noNdumiso, they can't believe ukuthi uma wabo really did this. They ask her, ma, uyenzile ngempela yini lento? uMshengu athi ngithi umdlisa ushefa anizwa yini? But pendula ma, I want to hear from you. Avuma athi yes ngiyenzile. But hawu ungayenza njani into kanje? Ubula umfowethu, our own blood. Athi uNdumiso, uwe ngempela lo ma, because Ndumiso usually sides with his mother, but this time around he was just like, he was just shocked, couldn't believe ukuthi ngempela uyenzile lento. And then ahamba uMamchunu ayobona uNqubeko esibhedlela, afika axolise, asho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ngiyasola, it was evil. And then she starts singing old songs for uNqubeko. Aqala ke ahlangahlangana uNqubeko, ma ahlangahlangana kungena uDoreen is convinced that uMamchunu was there to finish up uNqubeko. Amxosha athi phuma la, athi nami indodana yami, athi which one, the one you wanted to kill? And then uDoreen says she wants to go to the police and report to uMamchunu. uMamchunu must be arrested because vele bakamshengu they're going to try and save her and protect her, so yena nje she must go to jail. uFakazile amconvince her not to do it, and then uFakazile speaks to uNqubeko, begging him not to leave her with the kids, please fight. And then uMshengu talks to Mamchunu uthi hawu Mamchunu, uyazi wena awukazi umthanda uNqubeko, you've never loved him. Athi ngiyamthanda baba, athi no you've never, and futhi kahle kahle mina ngifuya inyoka la endlini, ngihleli nawe lana wena ubhizi uyangiplanela ungiplotela ungibulalela ingane. And then ahambe ke uMshengu to the esibhedlela to see uNqubeko, gets there and prays for uNqubeko. And then asaqhuleka uMshengu, uNqubeko coughs, avuke uNqubeko. He was so grateful, thanking God. And then uNdumiso leans on Utsidi. Utsidi offers her shoulder for uNdumiso and says that she is willing to run on the rocks for uNdumiso if he needs her to, while he focuses on his brother. uNdumiso abonga he's just scared of, he doesn't want to lose another brother. And then uThoba noSibusiso, they talk, bethi uyazini they hope ubabemncane avuke abe right. And then uThoba mentions ukuthi are you going to bring uDidi to the wedding? Athi uSibu, no, I won't do that, it's going to give her the wrong idea. Athi hawu sho ukuthi awusamfuni vele? Athi no, it's never going to happen, like ever. And then uThoba uhlezi on the rocks busy drowning his sorrows on alcohol. Afika uDidi athi hawu I thought they were lying, or you here you kubile everyone. And then they talk, athi uThoba he's hurt about what his grandmother did. And then uDidi is trying to comfort him. And then Thoba decides to kiss uDidi. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.